Okay, on the today we're gonna be installing the LMI welding 2-inch lift, 2.5-inch lift. So we could put some sound in here and make it sound right, because I ain't trying to do no shallow mounts. Anyways, so today we're gonna install it, see what it's working with, see how it is, give it a review, first opinions. Yeah, let me show you the before and after. All right, so this is the before. I don't know what I could put. Something that everybody has. That's the highest it goes, lowest. Anyways, yeah, man, we'll see how it is. All right, guys, so step number 1, remove your jack and the tire, whatever. Remove the jack and make sure you have enough space to get down here and work. Just make it a little bit easier. Have I been doing this right, man? Yeah. All right, jack is out. Damn, the dust. All right. Step 2. All right, next step is basically just remove your bolts. These are kind of hard to get to, but it's pretty just self-explanatory. Just, what is that? Take all the bolts out. It's kind of hard to put some power tools in here, so you gotta do it by hand. That's the only bad thing, but I'm gonna get these out and then I'll see you at the next step. Okay, so I got these 2 back here. This one right here, I don't know. I think it's just these 2 left, I think, which are 10mm. So I'm gonna take those out and get back at you when I'm done. All right, so excuse the dirtiness, but they got 2 10mm back there. So, oh my God. So let's take these out. Gotta wake the neighbors, man. And then we'll go right here. Oh, the battery done. Yeah, the battery's done. Anyways, alright. Got these 2 out. Alright, hopefully that's it. Alright, so it was a success. There's just 2 right here and then 2 back there. Basically be 4 bolts holding it in. These little clips, plastic clips, fell out, so I guess I gotta order some new ones. But yeah, man, let me take this one out and then we'll get to the install. Alright, so to lift the seat, all you gotta do is just like lift the whole thing up, and then it should come off of these clips right here. They got plastic in here, so be careful not to break that. But yeah, man, and that's the seat belt. These 2 right here are the seat belt. This is for the whatever, and this is for the buckle. Whatever that meant. Anyways, so for the passenger side, they got a bolt right here, back here, right here, and back there. So I'm gonna take these out and I'll get back to you then. I know there's an easier way to do this, man, but I'm just a rookie. All right. All right, last one. Okay. Yeah, so lift it up. Then, oh my God, and then just lay it down. So yeah. And I think the first step is to, see, it is broken. First step is to put the extendo in here. So yeah, you can see that. All right, so I got it in. Now we just get our bolts and screw it in. So they give you these little 11mm nuts and bolts. You put it on here, slide it all the way up, and then tighten it up. So you do that for this one, and this one. I broke all my plastic parts, so there's nothing else I can put in here. It's just gonna have to be metal to metal until I buy some more. So I'm gonna do all 3 and then get back to you guys. All right, so next step is these two, I guess, outer pieces. But they're the same for a second. But all right, so I think the small part goes towards the bottom, and not like that. So I think this side goes on the driver's side. This side goes on the passenger side. I'm probably wrong, but this is how I'm going to install it. So driver's side, passenger side, and these go right here, like that. So I'm going to install these and get back to you then. All right, so both sides are installed. It's kind of a hard angle to get to. I don't have the right tools, but you do this, you'll get it. All right, so next step is the, I guess, seatbelt extendo. You put it right there. Take this bolt out. Take this bolt out. Got this little bitty thing that lines up with this. And yeah, that one goes right there, and there's another one that goes right there. So I'm gonna put those in, and yeah, seatbelt extenders in. Next step is the seat brackets. These, I guess you just place anywhere. So I guess one right there. One like that. One like that. I don't know what the hell that is. One like that. And I guess one over there in the corner. Yeah. Because there's like 3 more left. So I think you get me extra or I'm missing a spot. But yeah, one in that corner. And then we just bolt them all up. And then I think we should be good to go and put the seats in and see how it looks. So yeah, I'll see you then, guys. Yeah, all right, here we go. Okay, so I was installing the seatbelt and I messed up. So this is what you have to do. You have to loosen it up a little bit, put the screw in, put the nut on, and then tighten this back up because it's not gonna fit if you install it afterwards. See how much like clearance there is? I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So that's what you have to do on that one. And I gotta go back and fix that one. So, my mistake. Alright guys, so I flipped the seatbelt. That way this is on top. And installed the bolts and nuts. I just gotta tighten them up. But yeah man, everything looks pretty good. Pretty much plug and play. I mean, bolt on, I would say, rather. But yeah, man, everything looks good. Pretty much a bolt on. If I don't like it, I just take it out. But yeah, man, let me finish up right here and show you the final results in a bit. All right, here we go. What up, guys? So I finished yesterday, but I never showed you the final results. Here's the old speaker box that is not gonna work. As you can see, there's so much more extra space. So new box coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But it'll tape measure. You guys can see how much more space it gives you. But yeah, man. One thing I changed. I don't know if you remember. I installed this piece on this side. But I couldn't remove the seat. Like, I couldn't not remove the seat, but bring the seat down. So now when I lift the seat up, I can pull it down. So it's just a factory, I guess, hanger, whatever. But yeah, they had this, I guess, ground. I don't know what it was. Ground connected right here, so I had to take this out, and then screw this back in. And then just to put it back in, lift it up, put it down. So yeah, man. If you have any questions, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. New box coming soon. Yeah, man. So I guess I'm out.